Okay, on this video, papakita ko sa inyo on how to show or hide your subscribers count on YouTube. So, mag-start tayo. So, on your desktop view, ito yung aking desktop view. So, click nyo lang yung mukha nyo doon sa top right corner. Then you go to your channel, paid membership, and YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio yung gusto nyong puntahan. Click nyo lang yan. Then lalabas to si Studio. Okay? So scroll down at makikita nyo tong Creator Classic Studio Consent. Oh no, yung Creator Studio ano ba binabasa ko? Creator Studio Classic. There. Click nyo lang yan. Kaklik nyo, makikita nyo tong options na yan. So you wanna check a specific feature I need to use is missing. So yun yung number 1, and submit. Pagka-submit nyo, sa akin kasi may ganitong option, yung iba wala. So baba nyo lang, scroll down, then go to Legacy Classic. Click nyo yun, and dadating kayo dito sa screen na to. Then on your left, sa kaliwa nyo, channel, there, and advance. So andito na kayo sa advance na screen. So ang gagawin nyo lang, scroll down, oops, sumobra, yeah, at nakikita nyo yung subscriber counts. So sa case ko, display the number of people subscribed to my channel, nakaklik yon, and pwede ring do not display. So kung gusto nyong wag ipakita, focus natin yan. Kung gusto nyong wag ipakita, there, do not display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Then click nyo lang yung save. Si-save ko to kasi display the number of people subscribed to my channel. So save nyo lang. Then yan, nakalagay dun is your changes were saved. So save na siya. And yeah, that's it. Pwede na kayong ulit bumalik sa inyong vlogs. So there you go, YouTube channel. Sana may natutunan kayo. Thanks for watching.